cadence modulation, the rise and fall. So my point is contemplating phrasing in music, soloing, how phrasing metaphorically in art. Phrasing which corresponds with perspective and proportion, which is a whole different discussion. My point for mentioning this is what popped up in my head was, and it's such an incongruity, which is the movie Beautiful Mind. What's the actor name? Professor John Nash in the movie. What's the actor's name? Russell Crowe. And I don't understand where that idea came from and how does that correspond with me drawing the correlation and then coordinates between music and art. And it's the whole aspect of the Nash equilibrium. Professor Russell Crowe, the actor, Professor John Nash, was a mathematician. He inevitably developing schizophrenia, pareidolia, hallucination, illusions, psychosis, and to follow me down the rabbit hole, Alice in Wonderland, Morpheus, Neo, Trinity, schizophrenia. So basically,